Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about this 43-inch monitor from Samsung. The model number is M70, and as you can see it has over 3,000 reviews, and the reviews are 4.5 out of 5. And this one you can do a lot of things with this one. You can use that as a smart TV as well, and it is 4K. And regular price for this one is $499, and currently you can get it for $379. Okay, and this is ultra high definitions. It supported Netflix, Amazon Instant Video, and YouTube. Connectivity, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI. And this is more about the product details itself. I'm not going to go through each item, so I'm just going to read it yourself. And let's see what's in the box: power cable, HDMI cable, USB Type-C cable, and the remote controller. Not gonna play the video, but for those of you who likes 4K and do a lot of work, you can split this in 4 different sections. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the saving.